Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Tech Academy. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to delete recent searches on Google Maps using iPhone. First of all, open up the Google Maps application on your iPhone and then tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. From the menu that appears on the screen, tap on Settings. Now, under Settings, scroll all the way down and tap on Maps History. This will now take you to a web browser. Here you will see all of your map activity. Under History, scroll all the way down and then tap on the cross icon right next to any search or location. Now click on Delete in the pop-up in order to delete your search history or activity. To delete everything, tap the Delete button at the top right and then click on Delete All Time. Now click on Delete once again at the bottom right, and this will delete all of your search history on Google Maps. And that's how you delete recent searches on Google Maps from your iPhone. If this video helped you, give it a like, hit subscribe for more quick tips, and let me know if you want a video on clearing search suggestions too. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.